Hey 5C, I'm really excited that we get to start Read 180 this week, and I wanted to show you how to get there on your Schoology account. I'm going to show you a couple different ways to get there, so whatever works best for you. And it may look a little bit different on a phone, but you should still be able to find these tabs from your phone. When you get into Schoology and you're on your main page that says courses, you're going to want to go to the one that just says Mrs. Halloran 5C, and I'll click on that. And then all the different choices on the side will come up, and you're going to want to scroll down to the very last choice on the bottom that says System 44 and Read 180. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'll click on Launch App. And this will look a little bit different. Yours will have your email address with your lunch number. And again, this is going to look different for you as well. This is when either the Read 180 app or the System 44 app would come on. And then from there, you know what to do because that's what we would do at school as well. But just to get to that screen, you scroll on the side. The other way you can get here, which may be a little bit easier, let me go back to where we started. If you're on your main page for the courses, if you click on these little squares, those will show you all your app options. And if I come all the way down here to System 44 Read 180, and it does the same thing, we launch our app. Go to your email address, and then right here is when the Read 180 or the System 44 app will come up. So there's two different ways that you can get there, just depending on what works best for you. But we're going to start today, and today I just want you to kind of get reacquainted with it and just work on some of the skills you were working on before we got out of school. And then later, I'll start assigning some books in the ebooks that we can do on Read 180. But just for today, just go ahead and start playing around with it, get reacquainted with it, and just pick up where you left off. If you have any questions, you can just reach out to me and I'll try to help you. Thanks a lot. Bye.